Are you guys confused at what you're looking at? I was too. This is a $1 million track Focus P1 GTR hypercar that produces 986 horsepower from its hybrid power plant. Or at least that's what it used to be. Now it's a wide-body drift missile that makes 1,000 horsepower from its turbocharged motor from an RX-7. Maybe this Mad Mike guy from New Zealand went a little too mad building this. I hope he drives this thing like mad, because that would be so awesome. Well, what a burnout. The sound of that rotary is so amazing. I can't see. Where did it go? It can shoot flames too. That's bananas. Well, I might have a man crush. Even when it's wet, he's still putting on a show. Vegas! Is it the moon or the sphere? I can't tell. It's shooting flames like crazy. That is probably the biggest flame a P1 has ever made. Watching it do donuts is starting to make me hungry. That is a lot of smoke. What do you guys think? Is this car insane or what?